Well, see what happens here. And plugged in. Ooh. Oh hell. Well, did that wrong. Now, turn this off, unplug this, turn this back on, plug this in again. Of course, now we're getting a little breeze. Whoops. See if I can fly around this tree here. Uh-oh, uh-oh. I need to adjust this wing. This thing is so fragile. Whew. Oh hell. I can't watch the trees and the plane at the same time. I'm glad these aren't landing way up high. Didn't feel like climbing any trees today. I need a spotter to tell me when I'm getting ready to run into something. I can't watch everything at one time. Well, heck, man, that thing, I need to put it on low rates. Oh, Lord. I need 2 sets of eyes here. One to watch the plane, and one to watch the obstacles. Jesus. I guess I gotta cut it a little closer to that tree. I gotta be a little more conservative here. Well, looks like my elevator. Well, I guess it's all right. Ah. Uh-oh. Got that a little too close. Yeah. I need to play out here in the streets, what I need to do. Probably get run over. Well, now my elevator is messed up. I gotta figure out how to fix that. That ain't gonna fly. I think I'm running out of battery here. Yeah, let's see. I think it's out of battery. No? Well, I made it. Made one round. See, we just got a hair bit of breeze here in this thing. Really get messed up. Well,